Continuing our aftermath coverage from Hurricane Francine, the governor, along with state officials, have been touring across Louisiana to assess major damage from the storm. NBC Local 33's Deshaun Johnson is in studio with more. Deshaun?
Yes, Fred, Governor Jeff Landry has given more updates on the aftermath that's still affecting many across the state. He and other state officials were in Kenner today addressing some of the damage they've seen in areas like Morgan City and Houma. He says one of their biggest reliefs is no fatalities have been reported due to the storm, and one of the biggest challenges so far, utilities. Governor Landry says he's working with FEMA and waiting to hear more from the White House.
We have been working extremely diligently to make sure that we get the resources necessary so that we can bring those citizens that relief. We're waiting on a declaration from the White House.
The major declaration from the White House will provide more loan funding aid to help assist those that are affected. And Governor Jeff Landry says although utility crews have been working around the clock to continue restoring power in Louisiana, Louisiana needs to see more power that is reliable and better grids that are resilient during storms and hurricanes. In studio, Deshaun Johnson, NBC Local 33 News.